All right, so good afternoon, Bryn. This is Coach King. So here we're looking at your what you turned in so far for your fitness app table. Now, one of the things highlighted here, as you see, is the name of the app. So I need the name of the app that you chose. If you don't have an app, then you would be putting the link to your calendar there. But I'm pretty sure you do have a fitness app that you're using. So go ahead and put the name of that here. When looking at your pace, there's a couple things wrong with it. One, the way you wrote it is incorrect. Okay, so now they're not supposed to be with quotations, they're supposed to be with colons. So an example of that, if I were to write a number here, instead of 8, and what you did up here, you'd write this. You'd do 8 colon 18. So that's how it needs to look, as you see right there. Okay, now beyond that, it's also incorrect. So if you look, this is pace per mile. Okay, and so when you run a mile, which you ran this mile in 8 minutes and 11 seconds, your pace should be exactly the same. So you should be written here should be 8 minutes and 11 seconds. Okay, the only time you're going to get a different number is when you run over a mile. So this one would be different, and then your 1.2 mile would have a different pace as well. If you need to figure out how to figure out that calculation, it's going to be right here. The step 1 and step 2 are here. There's also a link attached to the folder that you'll find that it'll give you the direct website to use to figure out your pace. Beyond that, I'm also missing right here is where's your 18-minute run. So I'm not sure if you ran it or not. If you were not here, you need to put absent. But if you were here, go ahead and look back on Infinite Campus, or it was on your card. You can get that from me next week, and you can go ahead and input that information for your 18-minute run. If you still have any further questions in regards to how to make these corrections, feel free to send me another email, and I'll clarify any questions you may have. Okay? See you soon.